everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is V. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video I am going to use a palette from Makeup Revolution that I bought this months ago. Never got to use it. It is called the Cinnamon palette and it smells like cinnamon. This is what the palette looks like. So this is what I'm using today. It looks very pigmented. Okay, this one is looking good. Revolution. This one is good. This color is good. The name of this color is called Paprika. I am liking it. So I have Paprika down. Now I am going to use Pink Peppers as my second shade. I have to pack the colors down before I blend. Well, I can't blend this. This is not going to blend well. Makeup Revolution, some of them you can't blend, so I'm just gonna pack it and smooth it a little. I'm darkening the corners. Try the black. Palettes just does that. This is supposed to be a black. Oh. The Cinnamon palette is an all matte palette. For shimmer, I'm going into the Quartz palette. Sponge applicator works better than the brush. Yes, I picked up way too much. I picked up too much. Yeah. I'm doing the inner corner. And this is today's simple everyday eyeshadow look. Please like, share, and subscribe. I use the shimmers in this palette, and I use the mattes this color is above my crease. This color is in my crease and on my lids. This color is in the outer corner of my eyes. And this color is also in the outer corner of my eyes to deepen it. Those are the colors I use from the Cinnamon palette. In this palette, I use some of the shimmers. This shimmer right here I have in the inner corner of my eyes. This shimmer right here I have in the outer corner of my eyes. Thank you all again for watching. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Always remember self first, love self plenty, and I will see you in another video. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.